Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jorge from SmartBSD RC and Tech Reviews, and today I'm talking about how to fix the LG SH5 emergency update mode. I was unable to find the firmware for this soundbar online, but I was lucky to find the mainboard on eBay from a Canadian seller. Changing the board was simple, but what I can understand yet is why LG is not letting us to download the firmware from their support and download page. I'm pretty sure the firmware update will fix this, because when I plugged in the USB, the display message changed to something saying it was unable to read from the USB. As you can see on their main support page, there is no firmware for the SH5 Soundbar. From here we can only download the owners and the user guide manuals. I contacted LG via Facebook, email, and it was impossible to get the firmware from them. The whole time they wanted me to go to a service center. In short, I have to replace the mainboard to have this soundbar working again, when a simple firmware update would have done the magic. Let me know in the comments below your experiences with this soundbar and LG support in general. I hope this video was informative to you. Give it a like if it was, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our next video. Catch you guys in the next one.